In this video, I'm going to show you a method of making over $500 per week by promoting other people's products. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on this amazing platform of Freedom Guider, the place that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, motivational speeches, and ways of making cash online. I should first say I'm sorry for all that time I've missed out on producing content over the last month and a half. Now I'm back and I'm on it strong, so please stay tuned to all the content that I'll be posting to all your beautiful eyes. And please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment anything. At least you can say your favorite color, your favorite car in the comment section. This goes great for the algorithm of YouTube. So let me go over to my computer and I walk you through the step of making this smashing $500 per week by promoting other people's product. Let's go. I would love to request that you come over and have a look at my YouTube channel. I have produced and I'll be continue producing loads of content. So kindly come over, have a look at videos. If you have any questions for me, I am here to assist. All you have to do is put the question or comment in the comment section below the video. If you want to know another method of making a full-time income, I request that you go to the first link in the description where you'll be taken over to another platform. So as said, guys, I'm going to take you over to a platform where you can promote other people's product and make about $500 per month or per week. So let's go over. So we're going to go to the amazing platform by the name of Google, and we're going to type in PartnerStock. Now, this platform is an area that allows companies and affiliate marketers to link. Let me just take you over to it. So this is it. So here it says the #1 ranked partner platform for SSA. Now, what happens? You have companies that are busy marketing their products. They're a bit lazy in pushing affiliate products from their end. So they come over to this platform and they request that PartnerStock look for affiliates on their behalf. Now, before you actually sign up to this platform, I highly recommend that you come over and walk through the features of this platform, how it can benefit your business, what you could do, what you should not do, and look at what this platform has so far. They are partnered with Monday.com, Unbounce, and various other reputable platform where you can become a part of the environment of partnership and make a smashing $500 per month. So we're just going to glance through and see what they have so far. Now, after you have logged and you have familiarized yourself with the platform, the content, the partnership and stuff, what we're going to do, we're going to go to the top here and we're going to click on login, and I have logged in. Now, within the platform, you are going to come across numerous companies that have products, platforms that other marketers will need to have to run their business successfully. So what you're going to do is come over and we can look through the categories. So if you're in social media and you're passionate about promoting products that will make other social media influencers successful, this is the area that you go. Guys, if you have not so far subscribed, please do consider subscribing, smashing the like, and commenting below. I love making cash. Okay, thank you. So if you're passionate about human resources, you can also find programs, software that can push that sector of business, sales, marketing, you know it. So these are the segments that you can come over and find products within. So basically, you do not need to go out and create a software. You can just come on platforms like this and others which are similar to this platform and start promoting other people's product content in order to get a smashing commission each week. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to go over to one or two of these platforms so you can get an idea of what to look out for, the amount of commissions that you're going to get per sale. And scrolling down, I came across this. Here it's Beadwork. It's a cloud-based AP automation for accounting teams. Beadwork integrates with a wide range of financial systems such as QuickBooks, Microsoft Dynamics, GP, NetSuite, SAG Intake, and Xerox. Now here it says 254 new leads that turn into an opportunity, which is great. Now say that I was to go over here to see more details of the commissions and their system in promoting or paying us to be an affiliate marketer under them. So let that load and we can just scroll down. Here it says earn over $150, which is great. Apply to earn high review reward, sorry. Here it says earn 10% of each sales for customers first year. It's not bad. Earn up to $200 for every new member you refer, which is great. So until that goes. Now what I did, I went over and I got access to this platform and it's called Adzuma. This platform is just unique for the features that it has. It allows marketers to promote their products on Facebook and various other platforms online, which is a plus for beginners. Let me be realistic. Marketing online takes a lot of time and energy. And if you have softwares like these that will help you according the way, why not promoting these products to beginners and making a smashing cash at the end of the week? So on looking into the details of this software or platform, as you may say, I came across various stuff. Now in rewards, here it says earn these rewards for referring people to Adzuma. Here, look at this. Adzuma PPC, Proposal Builder subscription sale, $199. This is what you'll be getting when someone goes and buy the pro platform of this company. Below that, we have Adzuma PPC, Proposal Builder subscriber sale basic, $99. Close to $100. Now guys, if you had $100 in your bank account, which I hope you do, what would you do? Would you go and promote this product by paying influencers to promote them on your behalf? What would you do? Tell me in the comment section below. Further down it says earn $30 for every qualified account connection. Earn $69 for every Adzuma Plus purchase, which is great. Now here you're going to get the affiliate link. But I'll just like to go over now. Say that we want to get familiar with the platform. We should go down and go through the links, guys. Now here we have the option of creating a customized link for promoting the product. Here we have the referrals, how many people you have referred, and since this platform is still new to me, I'm going to step up the game a bit by promoting it using the free and the paid. Now guys, these are technique a technique that one of my mentors have recently showed to me, and because I'm a nice guy, I just want to throw the information to you. Now the resource section is where you can get data that will help you to promote this product through the internet. And I was just amazed at the resource area. They'll just take you over to it. Now here they have landing page. Apparently it's not popping up here, but when I click on it, you will see landing page, content, platform, screenshot, images, partner email, templates, social media creatives, banners. Amazing product to promote. And this is just one, guy. So if I were to go back over to the marketplace, you can see the various products that you can promote. Now here, DoorDash for merchants. So if you know someone who has a business running, you can recommend this product to them. And after they have signed up and start using the features, you'll get about $200 for that subscription, which is great. And there are other products, so come over. Now, you might ask yourself, how will you promote this? How will you get people to only sign up? How will you get people to see or receive the free credit? Because based on the research I did on this product, they will give you or give the person that signs up free vouchers that they can use on Microsoft Word. And let me just take you over. So in the resource section of Adzuma, I went over and I found this information. Here it says free 125 voucher to new Microsoft Ads users when they spend $25 or more on ads. Adzuma pricing. And look here, guys, Facebook landing page. If I were to go here, tap on that. Let me just go here. I'll show you what pops up. Now here, look at this landing page. Here it says the best free management platform for Facebook ads. Sign up for free. So if anyone signs up under this, I will be credited even if they do not buy anything really, guys, according to what they've said. Here, rely on 24/7 automatic optimization, blah, blah, blah. Let's go. Get familiar with it. So it's great that we're aware of the product that we're promoting, the ins and outs, what things you should do so that you can promote it in the best possible way. Now, after you have gone through and you have found 1, 2, 3 products that you like to promote through the internet, what you need to do is to get traffic. And I'm going to take you over to a platform where you can get free traffic. However, I highly recommend that you do pay traffic in order to get a significant result in the campaign that you're promoting so that you can push up the dollars you'll be making per month, per week, per year. So what you can do, you're going to go over to a platform by the name of Warrior Forum. Now, Warrior Forum is a platform where many entrepreneurs, business owners come over to get ideas, to get plans, to get affiliated with various commodities in the market. So I highly recommend that you come over, you fill out the section, give your name and everything, make a description of yourself, put your picture, tell people what you're about, where you're from, so that people can relate to your situation. Now, after you have done, guys, you're going to come to this section on the left where it's a setting an option, and now currently it's not up for me. I don't know what's the problem, but there's a section that is called edit signature and it's not there. I've sent an email to the customer service, so I hope they will get back to me, say maybe today or tomorrow. Now what you need to do when you get that option, I'm not sure if it's with you or after you've signed up you'll get this option, but it should be there. Now what you do, you come over and you're going to put this, very important guys, extremely important. This, you're going to pause the video and write this down, because this allows the information that you put to be clickable. So after you've gotten this information in your signature section, if it's not there, if it's there, that's good. So if it's there, you're good. You just add this. If it's not, then you have to contact customer service and so forth. Now, after you're done, what you need to do, you're going to go over to the section where it says setting. Where's here, sorry, and get more familiar with that. After you're done, guys, let me just show you something. You're going to go over to the marketplace. On the marketplace, you need to search for the section of beginners. So let's scroll down. Let me see, where is the beginners program database? It's not here. Let's go over to forums. Yes. Yeah, beginners. Yes, beginners area. Now, this software will be extremely great for people who are new to the market, who have no idea of how to promote ads online or products. So what you need to do, you need to target people that are beginners in the platform and interact with them. When you interact with them through these, say, interactive groups, you then need to promote your affiliate link in a unique way. But guys, come over, start the process, add yourself to these groups, and some of them are really, say, typical and a bit weird in terms of the amount of links that you post in groups. I would highly recommend that you keep the signature with your affiliate link so that people can see it whenever they come over to your platform, as I've had here. Now, so guys, come over, make posts in some of these groups, interact with people, recommend that they get more knowledge of Facebook ads, running ads with a few credits here and there from different platforms, so that they'll get the benefit, and also you get that dollar per week, per month, per year. So come over, guys, and get familiar with this platform. There are many. Now, if you want to upscale your business, you can come over to a platform by the name of Fiverr.com. On Fiverr.com, you can search for someone for at least say $20, $30 that will share your link with various entities across the platform. They call it back links here. So you're gonna come over, search for someone that's cheap, and you're gonna take your affiliate link from this area. Let me just go. Now these are my affiliate link of promoting this product. Add, zoom in, get your link here. Come back over to Fiverr and ask them to spread this link throughout the internet for you. Try to make the information on either a blog or landing page with Aweber, and then you ask them to promote the information for you. This will allow you to get the ultimate traffic of clicks, and it will be ranked on Google over a period of time if people start clicking on this information and coming over to see the free ad credits that you're giving them through this platform of PartnerStock. So guys, come over, have a look, look at these people, try to find someone who has a 4.9 star and above. Do not go with anything less, because I've gone through a scenario which was not good. I got ripped off, man. Damn. It's money, man. But anyway, so come over, guys, get familiar with the platform, look for people who can promote your link and let them click on it, rank it on Google, write an ad and embed your link within it. So after a time, you get automatic traffic from various sources. So I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. If you have any questions for me, please tell me in the comment section below, and also comment on the video. Tell me what you think about it. I thank you for your undivided attention, and I hope to see you in the next video. So please stay tuned and chat with you soon. Take care, and please do not go anywhere. You'll have 2 or 3 videos that will be popping up between your beautiful eyes that will teach you how to make cash online through various techniques. Thank you for your attention again, and chat with you later. Bye.